Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching Powershell with elevated rights. This lets you run system-level commands without permission errors. Once done, check the execution policy so scripts can run get execution policy. If restricted, temporarily set remote signed for this session and test a small script. Make sure the modules you need are present with get module list available. Install missing modules quickly using install module. These first steps get you into a safe, functional environment and prevent common permission or module issues before you continue. You now execute and combine commands to perform real tasks. Use single commands like getProcess to inspect, then stop_process_id for targeted stops. Once comfortable, pipe results. Get service where_object status running to filter running services. Assign outputs to variables such as $svc equals getService so you can reuse and inspect items without rerunning queries. Make sure to test with non-destructive flags or dry run patterns when available, because piping and variables let you chain complex operations safely and repeatably. You finish by saving and validating your work. Write scripts as PS1 files and run them from the directory, or use VS Code for editing. Export outputs with export CSV or outfile so you have logs. Make sure to rerun with verbose to see details and inspect $error for exceptions. If a script won't run, test path to confirm locations and recheck execution policy. Reverting a temporary policy change resolves many issues. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun the failing command with verbose and examine $error for the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.